With chicken money, premium enjoyment, that's what this sauce is. Let me show you how I made this yumminess in a bit.
Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share.
The list of the ingredients will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. First thing first, I went to my vegetable oil and I went to my sesame oil. The goal here is to build flavor. Next thing, I went to my onions. I didn't finally dice my onions, I diced it big. Next up, I went to my chopped ginger and garlic and I stirred everything to combine. At this point, we are building flavor. Next thing, I went to my fresh pepper nicely chopped. Then I went in with this Lazo's chicken seasoning and I stirred everything together to combine. Next up, I'm going with my carrot and I chopped it very fine with this design and I liked it. I'm using about 3 pieces of carrot here because guys, I told the chicken money at the beginning, Abby, so let's start confessing. I had just 3 carrots in my house and I just diced it because guys, I need to eat this sauce, and when the sauce craving came, it came at night. So the next day I knew I was going to make this sauce. Next thing I went in with was oregano and my natural blend. Next up, I'm going with my chicken stock and I'm just going to stir everything for it to combine properly. If you're new here, welcome to my space. My name is Rosemary, and to my returning subscribers, guess what? Kisses on all your beautiful, wonderful and unique cheeks. Next up, I'm going with my green pepper and I'll go with my green pea and sweet corn. I'll just stir everything for it to combine. Did I tell you that this mix can come in together under 30 minutes? Yes, it can. Next up, I went to my chicken and I added my corn flour slurry. In here, I have light soy sauce and mustard sauce. If you want yours darker, you can add dark oil sauce. Then I stirred everything for it to combine properly. Guys, this tasted very heavenly. It was too thick for me, so I went in with a bit of water. I like my sauce not too thick and not too watery. So if you like yours watery, you can add more water. If you like your own like mine, then you can leave it at this. And if it was still thick, I still added a bit of water. I tested to make sure that the seasoning was okay and I adjusted the seasoning. I covered it for a minute or two for it to steam up, and your sauce is basically ready. I found the spring onions in my fridge and I decided to add it to it, and I just stirred everything together to combine. And voila! Our yummy sauce is ready, packed with lots of vegetable and also yummy. Look at this goodness and mercy in one pot. Doesn't this look beautiful? I'm going to be enjoying this sauce with rice, like I earlier mentioned, and egg.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.